points capture page. I used Optimized Brush. Awesome. About to gain access to powerful video, powerful audio that will help you unlock your inner awesomeness easily. Warning may result in inexplicable increases in confidence, productivity, libido, happiness, and a sense of purpose. That's pretty good. We could probably make this better, but what's this converting at right now?
About 45%.
45%. Freaking fantastic. Do you know that most people are excited about getting an opt-in page converting at 30%? That's like a feat.
That's awesome.
And this is from self-growth pay-per-click traffic, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what we're doing then is we're going to take a look and take a look at your conversion points in your funnel. We're going to see where we need to improve. So this ad that you're running on self-growth right now, is it profitable for you?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay, like tiny bit?
It's paying for its costs.
Okay, so you're break even?
Yeah, just about break even.
Fantastic. Okay, so that's excellent conversion rates on the capture page. Job well done on that. Let's go to the sales page. Okay, this video doesn't autoplay.
It does. We paused it.
Oh, I did. I paused it. Okay. Of course I did. Okay, we need to change this headline. Remove or take this and make it smaller, put it in a box, whatever you want, and then the reason to watch this video should be right here. And that should be the emphasis above the video. Okay. I haven't seen the video yet, so we're going to just exclude that as a conversion point, but that's going to make a huge difference. Now let's look at your CDs. Okay, and in usual Tim Erway style, I'm not going to hold back, I'm not going to mince words, and I'm not going to sugarcoat it. These CDs suck ass.
Fantastic.
Breath of Life, Grounded Posture, Active Creation, Zen Restore. There's absolutely no benefit in any of these. As I read these, you're getting a heightened state of awareness, so you're going to have a quieter mind, you're going to have more focus, productivity. Your benefits are in the copy here, but people aren't seeing that. They're seeing the title of these CDs. So take the benefits and change the title of these CDs. Posture, there's no benefit, that's a feature. As you listen to this audio, you become more aware of your posture, subconsciously correct it. Neck and back pain, knee pain, intention will decrease or vanish. These are all benefits, but the title is not. Change the title of all of these. Active creation. Activate your intelligence activator, whatever, intelligence intensifier. Zen restore. These are all horrible names for CDs. So that just changing those alone is going to make a huge difference in the conversions. I'm almost 100% convinced. Now, what's this page converting at again?
Right now?
Yeah.
About 6%.
6%. You should expect to get at least a 10% conversion from opt-in to sale. So with some minor tweaks to this page, price is $20. Okay. This is bonus?
That's a mistake.
Okay, that's a mistake. Okay. That's probably affecting conversions as well.
That's a new mistake as of like this morning.
Oh, got it.
I'll
Okay.
fix it.
All right. All right. Okay.
I do a lot of speaking. I specialize in trance induction and helping individuals use the most powerful parts of their mind to basically just tap into the awesomeness that we all possess.
Okay. You obviously know that you can make this video 10 times better.
More
The credibility booster right there with you shown on stage and getting people to meditate was awesome. When people watch a video, our attention spans are short, so immediately when you come on screen, there should be some sort of compelling reason that they're going to watch this and be interested in it. It's got to hook them hook them by the eyeballs and get them engaged. Okay, so right now you're saying you're converting. Let's just draw this out quick using our nifty bamboo pen. Oops. So your capture page is converting at what? 40%?
Yeah.
Nice round, easy number. And your offer at $20. We'll say to make it again a nice, easy round number. Converting at what? 6%. Can we do 5 just to make the math easy for me? 5%. And then you have an offer after that?
Yeah, sequence of upsells.
Okay, what's the first offer? What's the price point?
About $47.
47, okay, that was 97.
I'm doing the test.
Okay, and what's the next one after that?
Next is 97.
Okay. Is that it?
297.
That's a gauntlet you got there, brother. Okay, so I can't even fit it all. You know what? Let's just do this. I want to make this an easier sales funnel for this demonstration. So you're pretty close right now, and you're wondering, you know, what you need to do to kind of push, you know, get this thing getting some traction, right? So let's make this really, really simple. Can we change this to a $97 offer?
Sure.
Cool. And then a $297. How's that? Okay. Do you know how much traffic you're getting right now?
Not entirely sure.
So could you look that up or no?
Yeah. Say about in the last 2 maybe 3 weeks, about 1,000.
1,000?
Yeah.
2 or 3 weeks?
3 weeks.
3 weeks? Okay, so can we say, let's just say you're profitable. Do you think you get to 2,000 visits per month?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll do 2,000. Do you know your conversion on your $97 offer?
That's just been added, so I'm not sure.
So let's just say you suck. You don't. We know you don't. But let's just say that you did about as good here as you did there. So 5% of the people who order the $20 product are going to order your $97 product. And then 5% of those are going to get $297 product. So let me just share with you what you should be able to do with a few tweaks like the one I just shared with you on this page and how it affects each point. Do you understand that through each step of the sales funnel, when you change a conversion here, it impacts your profitability entirely? It's like getting a multiplying effect for each conversion point in your sales funnel.
Nice.
Yeah, do you want to see how it looks?
I'd love to.
Okay, cool. Okay. Let me do this. Okay, so let's just say 2,000 visits in a month. Okay. 2, 1, 2, 3. To your capture page. 40% of 2,000 is how many? I'll answer it for you.
Thank you.
5% conversion at 800 is how much?
5% of 8. 40.
40? 40 sales. Okay. And 40 sales, 5% of that would be how many sales? 10% would be 4, so that's 2, right, at 97? And then this is, it's 0, right? Because 5% of 2 is 0, basically, right? Okay. And this might not even be a factor in the kind of numbers we're talking about, but when you start getting up to 5,000 and 10,000, you'll start seeing this change considerably. So we might just go ahead and look at these numbers right here, everything above this line, and see what happens. But what happens is every time you increase any conversion point, whether it's your capture page, whether it's your sales page, whether it's your upsell, it affects everything after it. So for instance, let's just assume that you'd only gotten 30%. 30% affects all of these numbers down here. Let's do the math though real quick. 40 sales at $20 is how much?
40 sales at $800.
$800. Okay. Two sales at $97 is?
2.
Okay. And how much would you say it would cost to get 2,000? About $1,000 bucks?
Give or take, yeah.
Okay, so 1K to buy this ad, and you're exactly break even right now, right? So your profit is 0, right? But you're building a list, you're getting leads. So by most accounts, this is not an unsuccessful campaign. It's a campaign that needs to be optimized and improved. And I want to show you just how amazing it can be when you increase conversions, okay? Now let's just do this. Let's say you're at 40% right now on your capture page for very targeted traffic, right? Let's just say we get you up to 50%, and that's it. That's all we change here. Okay, everything else stays the same except for this. Watch what happens to your bottom line. What's 50% of 2,000?
1,000.
Okay. Okay, how many sales is that? At 5%?
50.
50. Okay, at 50, what's 5% of 50? 2.5. Right. Is that right?
I think so.
10% would be, a 50 would be 5, so 2.5, yeah. Okay, let's do the math now. So just one conversion increase way up here at the top of only 10%, which shouldn't be hard to do on a capture page. In fact, I saw a few things we could change on there and test. Let's do the math. What's 50 times $20? 1,000, right? 2.5 times 97 is 247, right? Is that right?
Yeah.
No, it's, yeah, 247. Now, one simple increase way up here took your campaign from being break even to how much in profit? $247. One small change. Does it cost you the same $1,000 to get your 2,000 clicks? But now your profit is $247 on that same 2,000 visitors. However, check this out. I'm going to erase all this. This is where it gets magical. Your 5% conversion right here is ridiculous. I showed you there the things that you could change to probably increase it to 10% pretty quickly. Here's what happens. Okay, we're now changing this to 10%. So 10% of 1,000 is how many sales? 100 sales. Okay. Again, we could increase this from 5% to 10% as well, but we'll keep that exactly the same, just for demonstration purposes. So $20 times 100 is how much money?
2,000.
Okay. 5% of 100 is how many sales? How much money is that?
500. Give to.
Cost you 1,000, the same exact $1,000 to generate the 2,000 leads. You're converting at 50% on your capture page, which is pretty respectable. You're getting 100 sales now instead of 40, which is $2,000. What's your profitability? Oh wait, yeah. So what's your profitability now on this? So your total would be 2,000, 2,500, right?
Mm-hmm.
And how much did that cost?
$1,000.
So minus 1,000,
Not bad.
$1,500. So your profitability by making two tiny tweaks here and here just increased your profitability by $1,500. Same exact funnel, all you're doing is making one tweak, and we can get this up to 10% too, and guess what happens there? Things get really exciting. This we could get up to 10%.
Nice.
Are you really excited now? Do you see how close you are to an extremely profitable campaign?
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah, it's cool.
That's awesome.
I love the compounding effect.
It's awesome, right? It's like getting a pay raise for the same amount of traffic, the same amount of money.
This is usually one of the most simplified explanations I've ever seen.
Cool. Cool. Let's do this.
Let's do it.
Right on.